What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sounds on a Great Day. Well, today I'm going to be installing a screen protector on my 2021 Ford Bronco, and I want to thank the OCD plug for sending me out this protector that we're going to be installing today. Now, obviously, this applies to the 2022 Bronco as well. When you guys order your screen protector from the OCD plug, you'll be getting it in a nice little small box like this, and I'll show you guys exactly what all you get in the box. It basically comes with everything you need to do this job. First thing is, I want to point out is this nice little squeegee that they sent you here, but it also has a QR code on the back that you can scan with your phone, and it'll take you directly to the website where it'll give you step-by-step directions on how to do this, or any of the other products that they have on their website as well. They have quite a bit of stuff for not just Broncos, but different makes and models if you want to go check out their website. You also get a alcohol wipe to clean the screen from all the greasy fingers you have on there. I'll show you guys here in a little bit basically what I'm talking about. A microfiber towel. It also comes with a little washer sprayer that you'll need to add 2 ounces of water and 1 drop of dish soap, which do not skip on the dish soap. You definitely need the dish soap in there, and obviously you get the screen protector itself. So first thing you want to do, guys, is we want to make sure your hands are nice and clean and washed before we get started. You want to get all that greasy stuff off your hands. My hands are nice and clean. I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm talking about as far as greasy screens. So basically what we're trying to get rid of and avoid is this. You see the screen and how greasy it is, and all those fingerprints on it. That looks disgusting. So the concept of the screen protector here is to get rid of this. This is basically a glass screen, and obviously with the glass, it shows everything. So with that matte protector, it's going to get rid of all these greasy fingers that you see here that you do with, oh man, it's so nasty, that that happens whenever you touch the screen. Obviously from, you know, your hands or fast food, whatever, French fries. This causes all this. So we're gonna get rid of this. Okay, we're gonna get this nice and clean by first getting out the alcohol wipe and cleaning the existing screen and getting rid of all this nastiness that you see on the screen. And we want to just clean the entire screen of all the greasiness that it has. So go ahead and just make sure we clean this nice and smooth here. You can actually feel some of the food on here. It's disgusting. I actually had to grab a little bit more alcohol wipes because my screen was actually super dirty. Okay, now that our screen is nice and clean, we can go ahead and get our soapy water mixture here, and we're going to spray this screen. Go ahead and grab a little card here. We're going to use this to kind of cut that off, roll out our screen here. Alright. You want to make sure your hands, it tells you want to make sure your hands are wet before you actually pull the film off, because you don't want to leave any fingerprints on the actual screen itself. Okay, make sure our screen's wet. You can never have too much. Go ahead and lay it on there. And this is where what it's going to allow you to do is basically adjust the film around the screen to make it so you can go ahead and make sure that the edges match both sides. And once you are happy on where it's at, you want to go ahead and spray the top of the screen. And we're going to go ahead and grab our card here, and we're going to start from the top and move down. What we're trying to accomplish here now is basically try to get rid of as much as the moisture from the back of the screen. Use your other hand to kind of hold the film so it doesn't move around. Start from the top, work your way down. Now, have you ever installed a screen protector. This is on your phone. This is basically the same concept. We're just trying to get rid of all the air bubbles and water. Now, obviously, you won't be able to get all of it, but if you do see a little bit of air bubbles or moisture in there, they should come out with time. Alright, once we get most of all of the moisture and water behind the screen protector there, we can go ahead and wipe off the excess off the bottom and the top and all the way around. Be careful as the adhesive is still trying to cure behind the actual screen. Alright, so you'll see that there's still a couple streaks there, and that's behind the actual screen protector there. Now, don't worry about that. With time, those will go away. Alright guys, so it's been about a few weeks now since I've installed the radio protective screen on the radio there, and kind of show you guys what it looks like now and how it's been holding up and what the results are. And if you can tell, let's see if I can turn this up a little bit for you guys. There is literally no fingerprints on the screen, so it's actually been doing a really good job of eliminating any of the actual greasy finger stuff that you would normally see on your screen, as you can tell. And like those air bubbles that were there before, they just basically went away by themselves with time, letting it sit out in the sun, just like a normal like a tint on your windshield. It does the same thing. If you have ever gotten tint done on your car and you see bubbles, they always tell you just to let it wait and see. It will eventually go out with the sun. That's what happened here. Same thing. It looks good. I can't thank the OCD plug enough for sending me out this product. This made the screen look really, really good. Now I don't have to worry about those greasy fingerprints that you saw there before. And if you guys are interested in this product, please go check out the OCD plug. Like I said, they have different products for different makes and models as well, not just for Broncos. But yeah, if you guys found the video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.